I'm Sherry with Home Show Garden Pros, and you hear me talking about weeds all the time. That's basically how the earth talks to us. And so this earth is talking, it's screaming right now with this assortment of weeds. Now all weeds are opportunistic, so that's why we have an assortment of weeds in here, because this little area of grass between the sidewalk and the curb, that's a hard place to grow grass, right? And in a community area where there's foot traffic and all kinds of stuff like this, you're gonna have an assortment of weeds. If this was in your yard, I would kind of assess the weeds that are here and start to remediate this. And how we do that is aeration and compost top dressing, and not just any compost. You want to use a good high quality leaf mold like Nature's Way leaf mold compost. The only weed that's in here, so this is Spurge right here. There's a little oxalis. There's a Virginia buttonweed. The only weed in here is the Virginia buttonweed that I would worry about. That is one of the only weeds that can compete active growing St. Augustine. So what I would do in here, aerate, compost, top dress, feed and water and mow correctly. So we want to mow high. The St. Augustine that's in here will start out competing all these weeds little by little when you give it the right care. Even the Bermuda grass, which is right here, that will get strangled out by healthy St. Augustine. So we want to kind of take a step back when we're looking at areas like this and don't overreact, because if you overreact with weed killers, you'll do more damage than good over time. And we want to get to the bottom of it and start to repair the earth so the weeds don't have to keep doing the work for you. For more great information like this, join us on Saturday mornings at Home Show Garden Pros.